Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a new video. In this video I'm going to explain to you how to delete one photo or multiple photos from multiple photos on Instagram. So if you make a carousel or you post multiple photos together and you just want one of them removed, maybe you want two of them removed, I'll show you how to do this. Important, it has to be more than two photos. With just two it won't work, so it always has to be three or more. So let's head over to my Instagram page and I'll show you. Let's go to the right corner over here. As you can see, my photos. I just uploaded an Instagram post with multiple photos. So let's click on it. Here you can see that I've posted more photos. So for example, I only want to remove the second one because I don't like it in combination with the rest. You have to click on the three dots on the right top corner here. And you go to edit here. So what you can do with edit is you can even write a new caption. So let's say Bali pictures. But we want to know how to remove one photo. So as you can see in the left top over here, you see a trash. Oh, sorry. So click on it and it says delete media. So don't worry, because it won't delete your whole post. If you click on it, it just will delete this one picture I'm going to show you. So delete. And as you can see, all the other pictures are still here. So when you are done, you can click on done or save, whatever it says with you. It takes a minute. But then you see I only have 3 pictures left, exactly what I wanted. But if you made a mistake and you think, oh no, I wanted to remove the third and not the second, you go back to your profile, click on the 3 horizontal stripes over here, and go to, it's my third on this, go to your activity. Now you go to photos and videos. Sorry, that's not the one. You go to recently deleted. It's almost at the bottom. Then you see you recently deleted this picture. You come here and you click on the 3 dots and you click on restore. Restore post, yes. It takes a time. Now view on my profile, and if I click on the post, you can see that it has been added to my post. And if you wanted to somewhere else, you can always edit and delete it again. So I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me.